How to reply to a comment on Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can reply to a comment on your Instagram story. So let's dive right in. First step, you will need to open up your Instagram. So locate your Instagram app and then open it up. After you open up your Instagram, you will then need to head over to your story. So tap on your story on the top left. And there you can see the replies, the comments on your story. So to see all of the comments, swipe up. And there you will see the views and the comments on the story. And right besides the comment that you want to reply to, you'll find the reply button. Tap on reply. Then you can reply. So after you do that, tap on the send button. Then the reply will be sent. So the reply will be sent on the chat. So there you can see it has been sent as in chat. But what you can do instead of that is, so if you don't want to send the comment reply in the DMs, what you can do is open up your story. And after you do that, you'll find this section right here that shows you the comment. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can reply. So you can tap on the reply button right below the comment and then simply type in what you want. Then tap on this blue icon. And there you go, you have replied the comment on the story in the story. And those are the two ways you can reply a comment on Instagram story. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.